always investigating the needs of power sources for the environment, society, and the world, with a direct focus on our engines, facing them with full attention in our continual pursuit for the optimal engines. That's what we do at Kubota, facing our engines with full attention to advance even further. Kubota has challenged by giving full attention to engines since 1922. It comes from our passion to deliver the optimal engine power sources to better meet the changing needs of society and the environment. Since our company's beginning in casting and engine production 100 years ago, our technologies have continued to meet the changes for the environment, including exhaust gas regulations. Kubota's manufacturing capabilities. They are emphasized through our proud history of accumulated technologies, commitment, and passion. We face our engines so they could reach the peaks of their technologies. At Kubota, we face our customers' needs with full attention when developing engines. We customize our engines from scratch to optimally meet each of their needs. Even for various regions, environments, regulations, and conditions. We face our engines with full attention to correspond to them. From design, analysis, to manufacturing, we face our customers to deliver the optimal engines for their needs. At Kubota, we face our engines anywhere in the world with our technologies. Why? To deliver the optimal performance engines demanded by our customers. Our bases around the world are closely linked for sharing the same information in real time, so we can face your Kubota engine with full attention. Leveraging advanced endurance tests, extreme tests, and application reviews. Whether near or no matter how far, Kubota is always at your side, giving your Kubota engine the attention it deserves. At Kubota, we face our engines through global support to uphold the trust of our customers by maintaining the uptimes of their engines. To face the engines of all our customers around the world with full attention, diagnosis and computer control, along with parts replacements and even overhauls, are provided by over 500 service dealers in over 100 countries and regions globally. With Kubota Engine Service Network, Kubota-trained service staff around the world are ready to face engine issues with full attention, upholding the trust of our customers and their brands. At Kubota, we meet the needs of all our customers, providing genuine confidence. Facing the future of power sources. The power sources for the future. Kubota, the answer.